Don't mind the coat. Man, I need to put some tape over it, but this is a good damn coat. I paid good money for it, so I'm still gonna wear this son of a gun. But yes, these are glad hand sales. We about to replace these motherfuckers if I can get to it. Oh, it's about to get cold. I think I talked too much shit about it being hot. All right, so this is your trailer line or emergency brake line. So we got to get a little flathead screwdriver to peel this sucker out. I love these things because you can peel anything with these little small flathead screwdriver. Like, you know, I got my own tools, so I pretty much got this out my toolbox, and this thing comes in handy. So what you want to do is, you know, you go in the crevices and you peel it out. Sometimes it don't want to come out, but you just peel until it come out. So this is what it looks without it, and this is what the old one looks peeled out of it. So now you just peel the new one, and this is the new one. Hopefully it won't give me a hard time going in. So you just kind of bend it and kind of force that sucker in there. You kind of use this to assist you. And there you go. You got a set of new glad hand seals on your trailer brake line. So all set and done. This is the new one, and this is the old one. Yeah, it was starting to, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it was starting to crack up a little bit. You can tell. So let me get up here on my catwalk. This is your service brake. So once again, we're gonna peel this sucker out. It's cold. I think I asked too soon for the code. The code said, bitch, you wanna motherfucking talk about us how this ball sweat? Then we gonna make it cold as ice and your fingers gonna fall off. How about that? I'm like, all right, Mother Nature. Dang, you ain't gotta be so tough on the sister shit. What the fuck? Yeah, this one was really messed up. Well, not really, but it was there. Yep. Another second. Put the new one. Like I said, you bend it. You bend it so you can get it to go in there. I am in there. All right. Ooh, hold up. There we go. That one went that easy. All right. Ooh, I got a ball. I got a ball for my steering wheel. My steering wheel got balls now. I gave Tyrone some new balls, y'all. Oh, they gave me a Tire Fast thing. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, Tyrone got some new balls thanks to his woman. His woman done put some new balls on him. That's what I'm saying. Balls of fire. But, all right. So we good. All good. Glad hand sounds are good. So these are the old ones. Eat. All right. You know, depending on how bad the trailer glad hand seals are, you might have to use your glad hand seals to replace those too. So it's all about pre-trip. So look, this is what the fuck I'm dealing with right about now. I haven't posted a video yet because obviously I post my whole day, but this is what the fuck I'm dealing with right now. I'm dealing with this shit. Look at the fuck. Look at this shit right here. Just don't never fail. These tires be fucked up, dog. I don't mean fuck, nigga. Ain't no airing that shit up with my truck at all. Nope, not about to do it. So, this is where I'm stuck. Trying to get this shit fucking fixed. It is what it is. Alright, y'all. So, I'm here waiting to get my tire fixed. But look at the balls. I got balls for my truck. Tyrone gonna love his new set of balls, you know. Or should I say ball. So, he got his vasectomy. So, he can't have kids. So, you know, since he can't have kids, he taking care of his woman, y'all. So, let me show y'all his ball. I got him. I got him a ball, y'all. Yeah. Hold up. Yeah. Look at his ball. This for the steering wheel. I'm fancy too. Look, I'm a pimp. I got the pimp style ball. You know, I can't just have Tyrone not balling out. So I pretty much, I had to pimp him out. Let me open it. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me open it. Let me open it for y'all. Hold up. Okay. I gotta pull up, y'all. Yeah, I'm opening this ball. I'm gonna put this on when I get off here with y'all too. Look at the pimp ball, dogs. Okay. Oh, you need to get out?
No, I just need your keys.
Oh, there you go.
He's just finishing up the first video.
All right. Fire. Look at that. Ooh, child. My pimp. I'm a pimp. I'm a pimp. Nigga, I'm 50 Cent. P-I-M-P. I'm a pimp. Let me stop playing with y'all. Let me see. How this supposed to go? Oh, it's supposed to go around a bare steering wheel? I'm gonna force this bitch on. You going on. You gonna go on with the steering cover and all. Watch what I'm talking about. Hold up. Look. So I could be like, look y'all, I could be leaned back like, yeah, I could be leaned back, yeah. Let me stop. All right, y'all. I'll holler at y'all. Time is the essence. I'm making a time of getting my turd fixed. Man, this goddamn weather about to dry. My lips already dry as hell. I got dry skin, y'all. So now that it's starting to get cold like I asked for, my lips about to be chizap. I don't care shit. I ain't got nobody to kiss on them with, so it don't make no mother loving sense. All right, y'all. Deuces.